There, first green tips.
Every seed gets its share.
Straighten the roots, cover gently. Straighten and tie, no leaning.
Active bees, flowers will set fruit.
Clusters are forming nicely. Strong start.
Thin clusters for better fruit size.
Feed evenly, no jams.
Steady flow, no spills.
This is straight sand. Grapes won't forgive mistakes.
Let's see what we're really working with.
No nutrients. We'll have to build the soil.
Drainage is perfect. Grapes like that.
Plenty of depth for vine roots.
Heat's intense, but that builds flavor. Row spacing's locked in.
This
This variety can handle heat.
We can make this work.
Up.
Up. You can run it to the board rock, and we don't even eat in this wall that just that. We're not wall water. Water comes next. Finally, water. Water under this sand. Cheers. Check all valves, no leaks. Rows are perfectly level now.
Every vine will get water.
Even flow, perfect.
That'll strengthen young vines.
Rows are ready for the first plants.
Sufficient moisture for now.
No blockages anywhere.
Time to bring in the nursery vines.
Shade's perfect for seed germination. Mix has all nutrients needed for young vines.
One seed per cell, consistent depth.
Light misting, don't wash them away. There, first green tips.
Humidity steady at 60%. Temperature perfect.
No more blowing sand on sprouts.
Growth rate looks ideal.
Every seed gets its share.
Tomorrow, they go into the field.
Keep them upright. Roots must stay intact.
Transcription.
Rows are perfect. Every vine has room.
Deep enough for roots, shallow enough to stay hydrated.
Straighten the roots, cover gently. Good flow. Don't overdo it.
Stake each vine firmly.
Roots will take this up fast.
All survived the first day. Good start.
Shade will prevent leaf scorch.
Now we wait for growth. Look at those first green shoots. Strong start. Moisture's holding steady, good.
Keep them nourished every day.
Straighten and tie, no leaning. Leaves are filling in nicely.
Flowers starting, pollination soon.
No aphids yet. Looks clean.
Every vine gets exactly what it needs.
Growth is on schedule.
Next, full bloom. Look, tiny aphids starting to show.
Cover all leaves, no vine left untreated.
Pollination will boost grape yield.
Active bees, flowers will set fruit.
Gotcha. Stay off my grapes.
None yet. Keep monitoring.
Neem oil covers all surfaces.
Airflung reduces fungal risk.
All vines looking healthy, pests under control. Next up, fruit formation. Clusters are forming nicely. Strong start.
Thin clusters for better fruit size.
Color's coming. Ripening's on schedule.
Partial shade keeps skin perfect.
Consistent water. Grapes swell evenly.
Brix is on target, ready soon. No birds this time, perfect protection. Sunlight on every grape. Even clusters, good quality.
Yeah.
Next harvest time. Engines running, let's start picking. Check bins, no grapes lost.
Nothing wasted. Every grape counts.
All grapes secure, let's head to winery. Smooth ride, keep them steady.
Total weight matches field records.
Watch for any damaged grapes.
All clean, ready for crushing.
Feed evenly, no jams. All grapes in. Next phase, wine begins. Careful, no crushing yet.
Even feed. Machines ready.
Check stems, all separated.
Temperature stable. Fermentation starts.
Brix levels perfect, yeast working.
Thanks to Raise.
Clear liquid, ready for aging.
All samples taste clean, approved.
Conditions perfect for desert-grown grapes. Next phase. Packaging and distribution.
No leaks. Tank sealed.
Steady flow, no spills. Labels perfect, centered, and straight.
Handle gently, no broken bottles.
Stack evenly, stable for transport.
Secure wrap, ready for shipping.
All pallets loaded. Double check weight.
All caps secure. No leaks.
Ready for delivery, safe journey.
Delivery route set. Shops waiting.
And this is how desert-grown wine reaches your glass, start to finish.